Hello students. So today I am here to take up the exercises of the first chapter which you have studied in the previous video, that is glossary, dictionary and an alphabetical order. This chapter we have studied in the previous video. So today I am going to take up the exercises of this chapter. So I'll just read out the question first. Write the names of these flowers in alphabetical order. So you can see the pictures of a few flowers given here. So first you have to find out the names of these flowers and then you have to arrange the names of these flowers in alphabetical order. Like you see, first flower, this flower is lotus. Second flower is hibiscus. Third flower is pansy. Fourth flower is sunflower. Fifth flower is dahlia. And sixth flower is marigold. So these are the names of the flowers which I have written here. Now what we have to do? We have to write the names of these flowers in alphabetical order. Now we'll see which flower comes first in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. See, A, no flower is there which starts from A. B, no, not there. C, not there. D. But you see, yes, from D there is one flower, dahlia. So what we have to do? We have to write dahlia first because it comes from D and D comes first in alphabetical order. So D, we will write dahlia first. Then after that D. After D is E. You can see E, no, there is no flower which starts from E. Then F, no, there is no flower which starts from F. Then G, not there. H, yes, there is one flower which starts with H, that is hibiscus. So after D, what comes? H. So we will write hibiscus in second place. Now after hibiscus we will see the next word. H, then I. There is no flower which starts with I. Then J, not there. K, not there. L, yes, L is there. You see lotus, it starts with L. So we will write lotus at third place. So lotus. After lotus, we will see what is the next alphabet. L, then M. You can see any flower which starts with M over here. Yes, marigold. So marigold starts with M. So we will write marigold at fourth place. Now after M, we will see N. No, there is no flower which starts with N. Then O, not there. P, yes, there is one flower which starts with P. That is pansy. So because pansy starts with P, so we'll write this at fifth place, pansy. Now after pansy, the only flower which is left is sunflower because after P, Q is there. Q here, no flower is there which starts with Q. Then R, there is no flower which starts with R. Then S. So S for sunflower. Yeah. So all these flowers you have to write in the alphabetical order. I have done this exercise for you just so that you can understand that which flower starts in alphabetical order and which flower comes first. In alphabetical order, which alphabet comes first. So D comes first in alphabetical order, so I have written the flower which starts with D. Then after D, H comes. So I have written after D, H I have written hibiscus. Then after H, L comes. So I have written the flower which starts with L, that is lotus. So I have written lotus. Then after L, M comes. So I have written the flower which starts with M here, marigold. Then pansy. Pansy also after M, P will be there, not C. So I have written here pansy. Then sunflower. So after P, S comes. So I have written sunflower at last. So all these flowers names I have arranged in the alphabetical order. Like I'll see the first alphabet. The first alphabet which comes first, I'll write the name first. Like D comes first, so I have written D at first, and S comes at last, so I have written S at last. Now we'll move on to our second exercise, which is write the names of these animals or birds in alphabetical order. In first question, we have written the names of the flowers in alphabetical order. Now in this question, we have to write the names of the animals or birds in the alphabetical order. So first we'll find out what these birds or animals are called. See, first one is parrot. I have written the name here just for your convenience. You need not to write. You can only write it here where blank is given. I have written just to show you which bird is this or which animal is this. So first one is parrot, second one is sparrow, third one is crow, fourth one is woodpecker, fifth one is mouse, sixth one is lion, seventh one is dog, and eighth one is leopard. Okay. Now we have to arrange the names of these animals and birds in the alphabetical order. Now you see, A. Is there any animal or bird which starts with A? No. B? No, it's not there. C? Yeah, I can see one bird name which starts with C. You can see here, C-R-O-W, crow. So this bird starts with the letter C. So I'll write here crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Now we'll see after C which alphabet comes. D. So is there animal or is there any bird that starts with D? Yeah, I can see there is one animal name which starts with D, which is dog. So D. So I'll write dog at second place. Now after D I'll see E. No, there's no animal or no bird which starts with E. Then F. No, not there. G. Not there. H. Not there. I. Not there. J. Not there. K. No, there's no animal or bird which starts with K. Then KL. Yes, there's one animal which starts with alphabet L. You can see L for leopard. So I'll write leopard at third place. Now, after leopard, again there is one more animal which starts with alphabet L. But how will you differentiate between lion and leopard, that which animal name should come first? I'll tell you how. See, after L we'll see the second alphabet. After L the second alphabet is E, and after L here the second alphabet is I. So E comes first or I comes first in English alphabets? Yes, E comes first. So that means we'll write leopard first and then lion at second place. First leopard will be there, then lion. So that's how you will differentiate. If the first letter is similar, then you will see the second alphabet. If first alphabet is similar, then we'll see the second alphabet of the word. Now the next one after leopard and lion, we'll see what starts with M. M, yeah, there's one animal with whose name starts with M. M for mouse. So I have written mouse here. After M, N. There's no animal or no bird which starts with the letter M, N again. Then O. You can see any animal or any bird which starts with O here? No. P. Yeah, I can see there's one bird whose name starts with P. P for parrot. So I'll write parrot here. Then after P, Q, not there. R, not there. S. Yeah, there's one bird which whose name starts with S. S for sparrow. So I'll write sparrow here. Then S-T-U-V-W. Yeah, there's one bird whose name starts with W. So I'll write woodpecker here at last, because W comes at last in these alphabets. In these series of birds and animals, W comes at last. So I'll write the name of woodpecker at last. So yeah, this is the only exercise given here. You just have to arrange the names of the animals and the birds in the alphabetical order. Like A comes first, so whatever bird or whatever animal whose name starts with A will be at first, or whatever animal or bird whose name starts with L or M or N, that will come at last. So yeah, that's all for today. But now your homework for today is that you have to find out the words which starts with these two letters from the dictionary. I know you all might have got a dictionary at home with you. So from that you have to find out the words which starts with these two letters. These two letters. Initial letters should be A, D, A, M, A, N, A, S, A, T, A, X, B, E, D, O, G, O, H, E, H, I, F, I, N, I, S, I, T, M, E, M, Y, N, O, O, F, O, N, O, R, S, O, T, O, U, P, U, S, W, E. So you have to find out all these words which starts with these two letters and write down in your rough notebook. but whatever exercise I have given, that you have to copy in your book, but this homework you'll do it in your rough notebook. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.